What's up guys, Raskin Lauder from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to turn more visitors into customers using wish lists, how to apply this on your WordPress website, and every single step to take. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and let's see the work in action. Imagine that you are planning to create a desktop computer for you. You go to some store and you don't have the money yet, or you are planning to do some more things and you would like to save this for later. No problem, you can just find the product on the store, click right here to add, go back to the shop page, find another option, click here to add, just like this, and you go to a wish list, okay, a list that can save products for later. And you can see the product, you can organize the wish list, you can do some order, you can add to cart, see the quantity, the option, the price, but there is many more things you can do. For example, imagine that, for example, you are on the single product, for example, just like this. You love this, but you won't buy it yet. You can save to your wish list, just like this. You can even go to the wish list. You can create a new one. For example, imagine that you are planning a wedding, you are planning a birthday, and you would like to make a wish list. You can create a wish list for your birthday, for your wedding. You can apply some description, and instead of default, you're gonna set is public. Okay, let me do this into another one. Here is my first wish list. Is a default wish list, the one that I have saved my products. I can delete it or edit it, and I can make it public. And as soon as you make it public, you can have a link to your wish list. So imagine that you are working on the guests and you send the wish list to the guests. The customer can send it right here. Okay, and just like this, it's a default and it's a public wish list and a published wish list. Here is the wish list. You can customize it by removing or re-adding products. It's quite simple to work with, and of course the customers can send the wish list even by email if they want. Here is the option. You can copy the wish list and send to anyone you want. How to create this on your WordPress website? How to apply this feature to your site? First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, okay? Let me go back to my dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. For this guide, you're gonna be using the Save to Wish List plugin, okay, by Josh. It's an amazing plugin that we're gonna explore later, but it has lots of options, okay? The option to drink to, you have a very large customer base and well-hated plugin. We have easy setup, the multi-site wish list, the always up-to-date compatible, it's translation ready, and it's affordable and grows with you, okay? I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here. But let's keep things doing. After going to the site, you can start for free, so review the upper right corner of your screen into search plugins and type Save to Wish List. Here is the guide that I'm looking for. It requires WooCommerce plugin, okay? In the case that you don't know how to use WooCommerce, we have a playlist on our YouTube channel, so just go to YouTube and search for Visualmodo WooCommerce. After click on install, we're going to click on activate button. And you're going to be redirected to the plugins list, a list where you can see every single plugin on your site. And you're going to be able to find the settings for Save to Wish List and a new button on your WordPress left sidebar of menus. We have General, Add to Cart Products to Wish List, Auto Remove Product, Wish List, Redirect Page, Add Wishlist button. You can redirect, pop-up, or fade, up to you, okay? If you add some product to the wish list, you can be redirected to the page. Here is the wishlist page. You can change the text, add some media in the case that you want, disable wishlist on the account. I don't recommend you do that. Allow multiple wishlists. You can change the style up, heading colors, size, subcolors, and buttons. Guest options. And the label buttons, okay? In the case that you can click on Upgrade to Pro. You can click on Get Started and do your purchase. After doing so, you're gonna be able to find a page like this one right here, where you can download your product or go to your account. You can download it right here. And after, you can go to your account dashboard, review the Downloads tab, so you can copy your license key. I'm gonna copy just like this. And let's install my Pro version. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, hit the submenu Add Plugin, Upload Plugin, choose File, select the file that I just have downloaded, click on Install Now, click on Activate button, here is my Save to Wishlist Pro plugin. Now, review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard. Hover mouse over Save to Wishlist, click on License. And right here, you're gonna be able to find your key. You need to enter your email of the account you made. And the license we just copied on our account dashboard, just like this, okay? Remember the email that you used to place your order. In my case, it's this one. And you are good to go. Save your license. License status is now active, so I'm now ready to use all the Pro features of the plugin, including analytics. So you can see what our customers are saving, the automation options. You can create your first automation in the case that you want. Let me just show an example. When a new wishlist is created by the user, send email notification and send an email address, subject and body. Or for example, update user meta, call a webhook, all up to you, okay? You can create every single automation you like. Here you can see all the wish lists. You can create a new one from the WordPress dashboard, but of course customers can still create theirs. There is options to share the wish list. You can add restrictions. Let me show you the website from the home page now. You can see the option Add to Wish List or Remove from Wish List into the shop page or into the single products page. And in the case that I want to add, all I have to do is click into this button and the product is going to be added to your wish list. You can apply the wish list button. There is a wish list page on your navigation menu in the case that I want, and consumers are going to be able to edit their wish lists. And of course, into the account page, you're going to be able to see the wish list options as well. Into the shop account, okay? Right here we have the wish lists. And you can add a new wish list, you can make it public or not, and you can share the link. For example, if someone shares the link of a wish list with me, for example for birthday or for wedding, and I open, it's gonna open the website wish list with options that I can add to cart and purchase, increasing our profits. Okay, and it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out their website. There is an extensive documentation. We have option to customize, to do social sharing, and to have more admin controls. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.